Phytotherapy, also known as herbal medicine or botanical medicine, is a holistic approach to healing that utilizes the therapeutic properties of plants. It is an ancient practice that has been used for centuries by various cultures around the world. Phytotherapy harnesses the power of nature to promote health, prevent illness, and support the body's natural healing processes. In phytotherapy, plant materials such as leaves, flowers, bark, roots, and seeds are used to create remedies. These remedies can be prepared in different forms, including teas, tinctures, extracts, capsules, or topical applications. Each plant contains a unique combination of active compounds that interact with the body to promote well-being. The effectiveness of phytotherapy lies in the diverse array of medicinal properties found in plants. Many plants possess anti-inflammatory, antimicrobial, antioxidant, analgesic, and immune-stimulating properties, among others. These properties can help alleviate symptoms, address underlying causes, and restore balance within the body. Phytotherapy is often used to treat a wide range of health conditions, including digestive disorders, respiratory issues, skin problems, hormonal imbalances, and stress-related ailments. It can also support overall wellness, boost the immune system, and enhance vitality. One of the advantages of phytotherapy is its holistic nature. Instead of targeting isolated symptoms, it takes into account the whole person and aims to address the root causes of illness. Phytotherapists consider factors such as diet, lifestyle, emotional well-being, and individual constitution when designing treatment plans. However, it's important to note that phytotherapy should be approached with caution. While natural, plant-based remedies can be potent and beneficial, they should be used under the guidance of a trained practitioner. Some plants may have contraindications, interact with medications, or require specific dosages for optimal efficacy. In conclusion, phytotherapy is a time-honored practice that embraces the healing power of plants. With its holistic approach and wide range of medicinal properties, it offers a natural and sustainable path to wellness. By integrating phytotherapy into our lives, we can tap into nature's pharmacy and support our bodies on a profound journey towards health and vitality.